Next item we're going to have a look at is the VX820 card reader, which we're going to install on the tailwind universal mount. Okay, so firstly we need to feed the cable from the card reader. The card reader will generally come with the cable connected. So first thing we need to do is disconnect the power cable. So with a small Phillips screwdriver, you undo this screw. It's retained with a spring, so it'll come undone enough to undo the cover, and then the cover slides backwards off the top, and this cable unplugs like so. Okay, put this to the side, preferably back in the box to keep it safe, and then we need to undo this cable. And now the cable, there's a hole, a retaining hole in the rear, so through the bottom of the counter and feed the cable up. Okay, so bring plenty through so you can actually install it back on the card reader. So now we install it back on the card reader. So again, you plug into the card reader there. Be sure you plug it into that one, not into that one, because it won't sit on that properly. So if you're looking at the curvature, plugs into there like so. Cover then goes on, and do up the retaining screw. The tailwind comes with an extra attachment, which basically is the adapter for the VX820 pin pad. The current pin pad Jacro we supply, okay, which looks like that. This unit actually is the part that clips into the stand, and if you look at the back of the pin pad, you'll see the two screws. It goes back on the back of the pin pad and it lines up like so. You know you've got it the right way around, you'll be able to see that serial number through the slit. Okay, and in the pack we have two very small screws. They are very small, so try not to lose them. Okay, and that's the petty pack put in, and that now clips into place like so. Click into place, and there's a lock on the back to prevent it being removed. To remove it you have to have the key, unlock it, and then pull that lever up and the pack comes out. Okay, so the pad comes off. Okay, so that's locked in, not going anywhere now. Cable, feed the cable back down through, leaving a tiny bit of slack. This is the other end of your pin pad connector cable, which we need the power supply. And the power plugs into the back of this cable here. Okay. The other end of this cable, which is underneath the counter, plugs into this blue adapter. You can see it. Blue adapter, which I showed you earlier, which is plugged into the back of the POS unit. Okay. So that fixes in there. And then it's very important that you do up the screws. Okay, so there we go.